Welcome to the MechanicDesk help videos. In this video, we'll be going over the tools, specifically saved text. Saved text is simply a piece of text that you can use anywhere in MechanicDesk, wherever you input text. Firstly, log into MechanicDesk. The tools are next to the quick search bar and can be accessed from any page once logged in. After clicking on Tools, click the Saved Text option. This will open a new window in which you can create a new saved text or copy existing ones. Alternatively, this can be accessed by pressing the F7 key. For now, click New Saved Text. This will open a new window with an area to name your saved text. Enter an optional subject if it's for an email, and also the body of the message. You'll also notice on the right-hand side there are applicable variables similar to the communication templates. These can be entered to change that variable to something from where you are sending it from. For example, say you enter the variable customer name and your customer's name is John. It will replace the customer name with John when you send this message from that job. Note that you need to ensure that you are using the correct bracket and percentage sign to enable these variables. Once you have finished creating the saved text, click Save. This will now allow it to be used outside of this Tools window. Let's now go to a job card, click Send, then Send Email. Once it has opened the new email window, click the small three dots above the message. This will open the saved text window where you can insert this saved text, replace an existing message, or just copy it to the clipboard. Note that this is not the only place where you can use saved text. It can be used anywhere where text can be entered. For example, invoice details, job notes, and quote notes. This is the end of the saved text tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact MechanicDesk support.